Hello viewer, in this session I am going to explain another type of problem on percentages. So let us see the problem. There is a number, say x. This x has been increased by 10%. On increasing the number x by 10%, you will get the number y. Right? Now this y is further decreased. Instead of increasing, it is now reduced by 10%. Then after reducing the y by 10%, we get the number z. Now we have to find the relationship between x and z. That is whether x is equal to z or x is less than z or x is greater than z, that we have to find out. So always remember, in this kind of problems, the value of x will always be greater than z or z will always be less than x. So I will explain this with a simple example. So let us take a number 100. So assume that the value of x is 100. So I have taken the number 100. So what I will do is, first I will increase the number 100 by 10%. So after increasing the 100 by 10%, you will get 110. Now I will decrease this 110 by 10%. Instead of increasing, I will decrease the 110 by 10%. So 10% of 110 is 11. So if you reduce minus 10%, if you reduce by 10%, so 110 is the number, minus 10% of 110 is 11. 110 minus 11 is 99. So here the value of z is 99, the value of x is 100. We got the initial number was 100 and the final number is 99. What is the difference? This is equal to 1. The difference is 1. What is this 1? This 1 is nothing but 1% of 100. 1 is nothing but 1% of 100. So when 100 is increased by 10% and then the number which we got is reduced by 10%, then we get number 99, which is 1 less than 100. That is, the number which we got will be 1% less than the given number. These kind of situations, always the value will decrease. So here we have increased and decreased by 10%. If you see the number 10, you have 1 here. So you take 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1. Therefore, the decrease is 1. Suppose if you increase or decrease the number by 20%, say 20%, if you increase or decrease by 20%. So here you have 2 in the 20%. So 2 square is equal to 4. The difference between the initial number and the final number will be 4 less. That is, you will get 96. So like this, if you take 30%, if you increase the number by 30% and then decrease by 30%, in 30% you have 3. So 3 square is equal to 9. So the number, the final number which we get will be, that is the z value will be 9 less than 100. That is, you will get the number 91 in the value in the place of z. So this is how this kind of problem should be solved. I hope you like this session and this trick. So if you want to really encourage me, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please post your comments and share this video to your dear ones. Thank you for watching this video till the end.